Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open the calculator and enter the base amount first. This is the number you want a percentage of, for example, 250. Once entered, make sure the digits are correct because the calculator uses exact input. Next, tap the multiplication symbol because percent operations are multiplications under the hood. This first action prepares the expression. Don't press equals yet. If you mistyped, press C and re-enter. This keeps results accurate and avoids extra steps later. You now enter the percentage itself. Type 15 for 15%. Then tap the percent key %. This converts the 15 into 0. 15 relative to your base. Once you press equals, the calculator multiplies 250 times 0. 15 and displays the percent value, which is the actual amount you'll use. Make sure to watch the display to confirm the percent key registered. If it didn't, the result will be wrong. This sequence gives you the exact dollar or unit amount quickly and reliably. You can finish by either adding the percent value to the base for totals or subtracting it for discounts. For a total, press plus then equals after the percent result. For discounts, press minus then equals to subtract. Once done, make sure decimal placement matches expectations. Small misentries change outcomes. If numbers look wrong, clear the calculator and repeat the three-step sequence. Base times percentage %. That simple retry fixes input mistakes and ensures accurate percentages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.